Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to KC. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. In a previous video of English, I taught you phonetic sound from A to F. Today we will learn some more phonetic sound from G to L. So let's start. So I request you also speak with me and do some actions with me. So let's have fun. Come on. So first letter of our phonetic sound is G. G. G sounds G, G, gun. G, G, gun. G for gun. G for gun. Now next letter is H, and H sounds H, hand. H, hand. H for hand. H sounds H, hand. H, hand. H for hand. Next letter I, and I sounds in. In. I for in. I for in. 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 I for in. Now next letter J, and J sounds juice. Juice. J for juice. 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 J for juice. Now next letter is K, and K sounds kangaroo. Kangaroo. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. It sounds kangaroo. Kangaroo. Now next letter is L. L sounds lion. Lion. L for lion. L for lion. 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 So children, today we learn phonetic sounds from G to L. Now I repeat it again. G, G, gun. G, G, gun. H, hand. H for hand. Hand. I, in. In. I for in. I for in. Next letter J. J sounds juice. Juice. J for juice. Next letter K. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Next letter L, and L sound lion. Lion. L for lion. So children, it is all for today. You watch this video again and again and learn these phonetic sounds and do some actions also. So I will meet you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day.